Come on, you can do better than that.
This is sort of like the one we had before, didn't we? We had James come in.
Well, where's his name? Come, James. Come, James. Lift that table, James.
That's better.
Come, James, lift the table. Lift it up, walk it up the end of the bar. Come, James.
Walk the table.
Walk that table, come on.
It's like walk the dog with the yo-yos, isn't it?
It's moving that way, isn't it? Move the table.
Flash.
Saving the universe.
And it begins. I tell you what, we laughed a lot more this time, haven't we, than we did last time?
It's a
wasn't
much
it?
better energy, isn't it?
Yeah. Last time was all sort of a bit eerie.
Because we're not letting him give it to
No one's
us this
scared of him
time.
this time, are we?
No.
Can't do anything, can you?
And without running, I'm not
Move
chanting for
the
it.
table away. Oh,
Come, James, move that table.
you ran out of strength.
Do you know, we're playing with you, James, for a change.
Yeah,
Come on.
not a strong man that we thought you were. Oh dear.
Come on, James.
Oh, that was my chair. It's a bit fat for it, obviously.
Say something nasty about him again. I don't know whether that got it going.
Don't go too mad.
No,
Oh,
don't,
so
you
not
don't want to
I
be
need to
too.
be very careful.
Yes, you do, especially with James.
Come, James, lift that table.
If it is James,
Come, James, lift that table.
Well, we're not too sure.
that's what I mean. You do have to be careful with him.
Sort of comes and then goes.
Mm. He's done that before.
Lift that table.
Come on.
I'm going to walk over here. Follow me with the table. Come on. Come with us.
You can't
I'll
physically
tell you what.
take it forward.
If anyone,
No, I want
him to walk.
someone looked through the window.
Come on, table.
Come on, take the table for a walk.
Chair.
Yeah, you've got whole furniture following you.
Come on. Big IKEA.
Like in bed, what is it?
Yes,
Just getting
come on.
pissed
Come
off
on,
with us.
come on. Leave the table. Lift it
Yeah.
up.
Bed knobs and
That's it.
that one.
Come on.
And it always, everything moved out the door, following
You
us.
playing with us? Hmm? You playing?
Should we ask for someone else?
Mm.
I don't trust playing with him.
He doesn't play nice. He doesn't play fair. That's the thing.
Yeah, I don't want to play with him.
He can be very deceitful.
It's not playing with him. We don't play with James.
And although it could be exciting, it can go a bit pear-shaped as well.
You're left with James.
The
The door again.
No?
Door
Let's go in.
again. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Three musketeers. I'm dog 10 in the colours.
Dog 10.
Dog 10. Do you remember that colour? Really? Muskrat.
Was it the guy that was like the little guy with blonde hair?
He's D'Artagnan. You must remember that one. All for one and for a roll. That's it, Muscat Hounds are always ready.
Oh no, I haven't seen that, no. That was before me.
Fuck off.
No, seriously.
Are the others back?
Was it? What did you
You're
want?
a
A tea?
To the well, isn't it?
Shut up.
Oh yeah, they've been back ages.
Oh, they're right there.
They're in the
No.
fireplace
Really?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
because one of the guests has picked up
That's why, yeah.
that's why I've never heard of it. My
uh,
brother-
information there.
Oh yeah, but everyone
But
knows
the
that
little
song. It's the Queen.
But the little one.
Yes.
My older
Killer
brother,
Queen.
my older brother, put something on Facebook and they Captain Planet. I was like, oh my god, no, he's
I love
Captain
Captain
Planet.
Planet.
You're taking me
Planet.
right back.
Captain Planet.
Oh,
Wind.
Yes.
Fire. You know, all that.
and what is the other
Love.
cartoon? We said,
Yeah, Biker Mice from Mars.
yes,
Raggy Dolls.
that's it. Yeah, but Raggy Dolls. Well, I did love it.
Danger Mouse.
Thank
Danger
you.
Mouse.
Yeah.
No, that was before me.
Super Gran. Do you remember Super Gran?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banana Man.
Banana Man. I
Where's all
remember
gummage?
Banana Man and Super Ted.
Oh, where's
Whisper.
all gummage?
And
Yeah.
there was a programme on it called Mr. Majuka.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah. Oh. And Where's all gummage?
Yeah.
Aunt Sally.
And yeah, who's the other one?
Cat
The witch,
Weasel.
the Green Witch. What was?
Grot Bags.
Grot Bags.
The Pink
Yeah.
Windmill.
That was before your time.
That
More
was
than
before my
Amy.
time. Yes.
Rugrats
That
is
was
more
popular.
your-
Rugrats. Oh my god, yes. That's what all the time. Do you remember
What about
Bernard's
HR
Watch?
Puff and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember that.
That was awesome.